back. How are you? What up everybody? Hope you guys are well. Kahara is joining us today.
Yes.
We are doing episode 2 of Showing Off South Africa, which is the going name right now, even though Kahara has thoughts.
I have.
She'll give it to you later.
SA destinations.
I like that. We were asked to come visit this place. It's called the Cup and Cakery. It is EDENVALE, but it's kind of close to Kempton. Like kind of Kempton, kind of EDENVALE.
If you know Peri Peri,
next door.
next door.
So they very nicely invited us to come and check it out. So we got coffee. Well, I got coffee.
I got a Red
And she got Red Bull. And then they're bringing us some food and cake. And
I'm excited.
we will show you around the shop. Have some fun. If you want us to visit wherever in South Africa, we'd love to come. Cara wants to come with. Drop it in the comments below.
And I have places to go.
So suggest some places that you think are like hidden gems or like little small owned businesses that don't get a lot of exposure. It doesn't help we go to Spur. Everyone knows what Spur is.
We must go to that place where everything's pink.
The Pink Piano.
I think it's called that.
We were there the
My
other
aunt
day. But we didn't do a video, so we can go. Let us know where we're gonna go. We want to try to show off almost like unknown spots or like must go to spots, guest houses, restaurants, fun things to do. I want to bungee jump. Where can I bungee jump?
I will record that. I will not be bungee.
Why don't you come with? What about a swing?
No, I'll come with, but I'll record.
What about a swing? No.
That you can do.
But won't you do it? Go on.
I'll record.
Like stuff like that. I want to know where we must go, where we must show off. I want to, because I'm doing vlogs all the time anyway, but instead of it being about camera stuff or behind the scene of my photo shoots, I want to make it more fun. So we're back on the vlog channel because also I don't want people who subscribe to see all the new things in South Africa to now all of a sudden have a half-naked model shoot the next clip. So
Imagine.
But if you are interested in photography, there's another channel, links down below to my main channel, and this is the vlog channel, which is very small, and I need you guys to subscribe because I need 1,000 subscribers to get adverts on this channel. But for now, we're just having fun with it. We've got gear that we own and we don't use it enough, so. Clean whistles for me. That's a huge thing. And that is?
The not so traditional French toast.
You're gonna talk on my video later.
Okay.
I didn't even know if you ate. I just said, can you come? Yeah. Thank you so much. And then this is supposed to be like a hot dog with stuff on it.
Bratwurst, she said.
Bratwurst with stuff on it.
Say that word again.
Bratwurst.
Mama spit it in yours.
Can you eat that? What?
It's crunchy.
What did you find?
Bacon. But it tastes good. Oh, no!
How's it?
Not so much. Are you gonna eat it?
Yeah. Ready.
This bacon is so good.
Can I taste it?
Even like the fat part. It's so good. Rob! Oh, I can't wait.
Thank you. That would have been bad. I would have gone on video.
I'm going to eat this.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Thank you.
work at Cakery. I've been here for about 4 months. We have some delicious home-baked cakes as well as fresh home-cooked meals for takeaway every day. We are currently situated in EDENVALE at the EDENVALE, right next to Peri Peri, and we would love for you to come and join our family.
Thank you. Okay, we're done. People are very chatty out here.
Yeah.
Very friendly chatty. And thanks Kahara for joining me. Thanks to Cup and Cakery for having us. And yeah, let us know if you like her name.
Oh, essays must goes.
Or showing off South Africa.
Or something with must goes.
Okay, so it's still a working name in progress. I still like it.
Let us know in the comments what will go with must goes.
Anyway, that was the video.
Oh, must sees. Must see. Essays must see.
Because you're not seeing the food, you have to have.
Must have.
Anyway, let us know in the
Essays
comments
must
below
have.
if the name needs to change. For now, showing off South Africa because you haven't figured out your name. And please check them out. The restaurants all need you guys. Go have some food, get some takeaways.
Takeaways.
Okay, bye.
Oh, bye.